Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and try on the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Venus. So let's just take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Venus wristwatch, reference SO33P100, and just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And on the underside of the box, the 11 planets or stars making up the 11 watches from the Omega X Swatch Moonswatch collection. Now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding the sleeve off and just setting the sleeve on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the inner box packaging. And on the underside, the details of the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Venus. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by spreading apart the box flap to reveal the watch sitting inside of it and giving you a much closer in look of this Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH Mission to Venus in a powdery pink or pastel pink. And now let's go ahead and remove the items from the box packaging and set them on the tabletop so you have a full and clear view of the contents from the box packaging. And let's pop the watch holder with its watch out of the box and just removing the watch from its holder and setting it on the tabletop and just closing the box back up and sliding it back in its sleeve, and once again just resetting and replacing the box to the side so it doesn't interfere with the foreground as we lay the contents out across the tabletop, so you have that full and clear view of the items from it. So starting with this card, so there is a warranty certificate, and we can set that to the side. So the wristwatch comes with a 2-year international warranty. Now moving right along, there is a booklet here and multiple languages are covered in this instruction manual with warranty information. So just setting that down and to the side and moving right along, there is a catalogue, a booklet for the Swatch BIOCERAMIC MOONSWATCH collection with details of the 11 watches from this collaboration between Omega and Swatch. And flipping over to the reverse of this catalogue and taking a look at the information on this side of it and the features of the Moonswatch. And now I'm just closing the catalogue back up and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and just tidying up the background so you have an unobstructed view of the watch. So Mission to Venus in a powdery pink or pastel pink, as you can see, with that pale pink color and white Velcro strap, and to give you some sense of the size of the watch, resting in my hand or palm. And now taking a much closer in look at the details of the watch, still with its protective crystal film protecting it. Let's peel it off so we have a clearer look at the details of the wristwatch. So it is modeled after the Omega Speedmaster, as you can see with the Speedmaster script at around 9 o'clock on the dial, and Moonswatch at around 3 o'clock, and the Omega Cross Swatch at the 12 o'clock position. So giving you a look right there at the details up close, and we can see with that chronograph design and the subdials or registers within the internal details of the face of the watch. And it does have, or they do have, a silvery grey border to the registers. So let's get the camcorder to focus right there so you can see more clearly and up close as well, as close as I can, and hopefully the camcorder is able to focus on those details. And you can see with the tachymeter scale as well, it is partially exposed with notches or beveling on the bezel or outer ring. And now taking a look at the other details of the watch. So you can see the Omega branding on the shorter end of the strap with a bioceramic keeper, so the watch has a very light weight to it. And giving you a look at that strap, the hook and loop or Velcro strap, and on the reverse side as well, the Speedmaster branding with Moonswatch details as well. And taking a look up close at the case on its side, so the case does have a 13.25mm thickness, and we can see that consistent soft pink color throughout. And taking a look at the case back, we see the image of Venus on the battery cover and the engraving of the swatch details of this wristwatch with some philosophical text around the outer edges of the case back. And taking a much closer in look right there at the Mission to Venus case back. So the watch does have a 30-meter water resistance. And taking a look at the crown side of the case, with its pushers, we can see the Omega X Swatch branding on the crown, and of course the pump pushers having that smooth design. So taking a look right there at the overall details of the Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Venus, and of course with the strap you can see the stitching detail, with that overall white design with a slight reflective sheen, and the Speedmaster Mission to Venus Moonswatch script at the end of the long side of the strap. And now I'm just going to operate the chronograph with the pump pushers. So let's start the chronograph, but not before first achieving focus on the dial. And now let's go ahead and start the chronograph by pushing on this 2 o'clock pusher, and you can see that central seconds hand ticking away with each passing second. So as it nears the 1 minute mark, and when it reaches that 12 o'clock position, the subdial at 10 o'clock would tick 1 over just there. And let's stop and reset. And now let's go ahead and try it on. So I do have a 6 3/4 inch circumference wrist, or 17.2 centimeters. Let's strap the wristwatch on my wrist by looping the long end of the strap through that keeper on the short end, and giving you a look at the watch and how it sits on my wrist, and the remaining length of that strap as well. So plenty of length remaining on the strap. Let's fold it down, and you can see right now the 42mm case size wristwatch sitting on my wrist, with that white Velcro strap, and you can see right there clearly the Speedmaster Moonswatch and Mission to Venus branding on the outer side and underside of that strap. And you can see just how the light plays against the silvery grey accents on the dial. and giving you another look from another perspective right there. And let's pop the watch off. And giving you another look further out. So that's a Swatch BIOCERAMIC Moonswatch Mission to Venus. Thanks for watching and happy ticking!